Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change your name in PolyBuzz AI. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your name in PolyBuzz AI. So first of all, you need to go to your profile. So the bottom side of the screen, as you can see, we have the home, chats, we have the create a character option, and we have in the bottom right corner your profile. Now click on your profile, then click on your name. So here, as you can see, we have guest underscore A0 blah blah blah. That's my name. Click on the name, and here we have, as you can see, everything you can change on your personal account. Of course, this video we're talking about changing the name, so basically you will be going to the username and you can put a username that is between 3 and 25 characters, letters, emojis, numbers, underscore, hyphen, apostrophe, comma, and space only. So those are the only thing that are allowed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.